Hello my dear valued viewers. In this video I am going to discuss about the price action of Bank Nifty and Nifty for 22nd May 2024. In this way I am going to discuss about details of the trades I have taken today and why I am taking the trades, what is the output of those trades. Everything will be discussed here. If you want to learn how to read the charts like a pro, you can watch this video till the end. And see here, first of all, I would like to trade the markets with the help of the trends. When the trend is uptrend, I would look to take the trades in the bullish way. When the trend is downtrend, I would like to take the trades in a bearish way. Okay, so this is a tricky day in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is in downtrend, whereas Nifty is in uptrend. All this trend knowing will be comes with the concept of CPR pivot points. So once I know the trend of the market, I would like to take the trades along with the trend. So what is the exact mindset during the market hours? See, the first 5-minute candle is a big candle, and that too this is a downtrend day. So this is a information. The first 5-minute candle is the information that this is going to be some bearish day, whether it is going to be a trending day or it is going to stay here like this. Okay, so this is the confirmation, this is going to be a bearish day. So see here, this pink region is the virgin CPR. Okay, this is the virgin CPR. Yesterday also it took support exactly at the virgin CPR and it has closed above the initial balance low and it reaches initial balance high. So today also, yesterday it doesn't close below this area, virgin CPR area. So today this is a powerful support. So you know that once the support breaks and the candle closes below this area, that would become a resistance. So yesterday it is a support, right? It took the exact support at the bottom virgin CPR and it is acting as the support. Now today with this 5-minute candle, big bearish candle, once it closes below this area, it is going to act as the resistance. So you can see here this candle. Okay, and the let me explain here clearly. This is the candle which is taking support at this pivot and it wants to move upwards. It took support here at the S1 and it wants to go here in this candle. This candle, when the candle opens, what happens? When it is opening, it goes till here, rejected from this area and it has closed at this pivot. So what is the reason behind this? The reason behind this is once the virgin CPR closes below this candle like this, this is acting as a resistance. Okay, this is how we have to analyze the markets. Now let's come to the place where I took my first trade today. So as I have told you, I am mostly a trend following trader and I use CPR system to take the trades for scalping, for day trading. Okay, so what I have told you, the Bank Nifty is in the downtrend and Nifty is in the uptrend. So see here, whenever the Nifty is in the uptrend, we should take the trades at the CPR to get the good risk rewards. Okay, now let me explain this also. From the first 5-minute candle also. See, the first 5-minute candle in Nifty is a red candle, very big red candle. But what I have told you, the trend of Nifty is uptrend. So we should look for the trades to be in uptrend. So there is no particular pivot support here to take the trade. So there is no trade till it reaches the CPR. So once it reaches the CPR, see here, this is the indecision candle where you can analyze the charts like a pro like this. See, this is a big red candle. You can see sellers have been present here to push the price downwards. The redness of the candle, you can assume how much bearishness is there. But once it coming to the CPR, what happens? When it is opening, let me explain this. When it is opening, here it opens, it falls still here. Okay, it falls still here, it took support here, okay, and it closes just above its opening, which is a doji candle. This is the actual anatomy of the candle here. When it is opening here, it falls still here because of this redness, this bearishness. But traders present here to be bullish in the market, they push the price, they have presented here, they push the price like this and it closes above the open area. So what happens? As a result of that, this doji candle forms. So doji candle is a good candle at high probability trade locations like CPR. So what we can assume from this? We can expect that the traders are going to be bullish in this area. Now, I have a conviction that I am going to be bullish at this area. So, I would like to see what is this candle's time, 9:45 candle. I would see what is the 9:45 candle doing here. See, it is also taking support at the S2. So, I have a conviction, strong conviction in Nifty and a normal conviction in Bank Nifty because it is taking support from the pivot and it has closed above the pivot, but the overall body is red. When we consider the candle, the overall body is red in the sense we cannot take it for granted. So I have waited for one more candle to close whether it is accepting my analysis or not. You can see here this is a big candle which is a bullish candle, that too this closes above the CPR, right? So closing above the CPR indicates that the bullish traders are present here for sure. So the Bank Nifty also giving the indication that this is going to be having some bullish movement here. So once it closes above this area, I took the trade. Okay, I took the trade, and after this first 5-minute candle reaching somewhere here, before even closing the candle, this 5-minute candle, I have exited the trade. The reason here is the Bank Nifty is in the downtrend and Nifty is in the uptrend. Okay, here there is a strong resistance here. From here sellers pushed the price strongly. So again when the price comes here, there are higher chances to the price to move again like this. So if I stay here to take my profits at the R1, what happens? Two things can happen. One, it will reach, after this candle, it will reach my target. Number one thing. And number second is it will face rejection and comes to my area. So my approach is I play the set time. I don't fight with the market most of the time. So what I took is somewhere here I have exited my trade. Nowadays we should see option buying as scalping. Okay, earlier it used to be different, being a option buyer. Now it is entirely different. Option buyer in the sense, in the current situation scenario, you should be a option scalper in the with the help of option buying. So I have exited here. This is my first trade. Now I will explain what is my second trade here. My second trade is somewhere here. Okay, see, you can see here, this is the wrong mark which takes my stop loss. Why? I have entered at a wrong location. Let me explain why. See here, this is 10:30 candle, right? 10:30 candle, that too it is the initial balance low. Here initial balance low support. Okay, it took some support here, goes here. So when it is coming near the pivot, there are chances to the price to move like this. So I have seen the 10:30 candle in Nifty. So what happens here? in the first trade, I only said that there is going to be a bearish pressure here, so I have exited the trade. But the same person who is here took the trade here, which is a wrong thing. That's why I always say the person who is talking to you here is not the same person who is trading the markets. So that's why you need to place your stop losses. Sometimes you may act differently. You may take revenge trades. You may be taken granted about the markets. There are so many things that go against you. So you have to place your stop losses. Once I place my stop loss, okay, it again comes against me. It took my stop loss. Okay, then I realized once it is coming back, I have realized, but I could not get out of the markets. There are many reasons for that. Once I closed the trade, I understood that this is completely my fault. That's why I have given my earned money to the markets. So okay, I did committed a mistake. I do not take the revenge trades. Whenever there is another opportunity, I will definitely take the trade. This is my view. So I have been waiting to take the trades, the next opportunity. Okay, actually the next opportunity is here, but unfortunately due to some reasons I haven't taken the trade and I am waiting for the next opportunity as per my trade setup. Let me explain this opportunity here. This is the 14.5 candle, which is a big red candle, right? You may have a doubt that why I am taking the trade here. This is my entry after this close of this candle. This is my exit. Why? Could anybody watching this video tell me why I'm taking the trade exactly at this candle, not this candle, not this candle, not this candle? So when I enter the markets, there is a reason for everything. So this is the what is the candle? 14.5 candle. And if you watch my videos, I have been trading Virgin CPR strategy and the initial morning range strategy really well. So once I see this 14.5 candle, which is a strong candle that has rejected from the previous day high and it has closed below the initial balance high. So I have expected this thing. This is rejecting, the candle is rejecting and closes below initial balance high. In the same way, the trend in Bank Nifty is downtrend and it is rejecting this aggressively. So now if I take the trade, what could happen? It may stay sideways or it will reach my destination or it will take my stop loss. So my stop loss, I am still break even today because the first trade is successful, the second trade is stop loss triggering trade, and the third trade is, if I am wrong, no problem, I am still having minimum loss. So I took the risk and I have entered here. I take my profits here. Believe me, this is the best trade in this month because within this candle there is a good risk reward, more than 1:5 risk reward which I got because these are the testing strategies I have been doing with the small lots. This is an absolutely good trade that I have taken in this month. So once it reaches their target, I have exited the trade because I don't know whether it goes till here or it suddenly took support like this and goes back like this. So I always play the setting. I have exited here with good amount of money. This is how I do my analysis. And if you would like to interact with me in the live market, you can join my Telegram channel. I'm going to give the link in the description section so that you can join my Telegram link, or I'll give the QR code for the Telegram channel in the thumbnail so that you can interact with me in the live market. If you like my analysis and you want to learn the way I do the trading with the help of CPR pivot points, the complete CPR pivot point system and everything else, you can approach me. I have a course for that. For that, you can approach me with my mail ID, which is also I am going to give in the description section. Thank you so much for watching my videos.